Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming your Vizio runs SmartCast and has the latest firmware. This ensures compatibility. Once done, make sure your TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or computer so casting and sign-in work smoothly. Use the V button or Home on the remote to open the app list, then scroll to YouTube. You're starting the app now because launching it verifies account and network status before we move into sign-in and casting steps. Next, sign in inside the YouTube app so your subscriptions and personalized recommendations appear. If the app shows a link code, open YouTube. .com/activate on your phone or computer and enter the code. This links your Google account to the TV without typing long passwords on the remote. Make sure to allow requested permissions so playlists and casting work. Once linked, the app syncs your profile. This step is critical because it enables recommendations, subscriptions, and easy casting from other devices. Finally, play a video on your phone or laptop and tap the cast icon to stream directly to the Vizio. Choose your SmartCast TV from the list. If playback stutters or the app won't load, check for a SmartCast or YouTube app update and install firmware updates on the TV. Updates fix codecs and streaming bugs. If problems persist, restart the router and TV, then relink the account with YouTube. .com/activate. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves connectivity and authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.